In this video, I'm about to compare Bootstrap and Tailwind. The pros of Bootstrap include its extensive set of pre-designed components and responsive grid system, making it quick to build consistent, mobile-friendly layouts. With a large community and thorough documentations, Bootstrap offers a lot of resources for troubleshooting and customizations. The cons of Bootstrap are that its default style can make websites look similar, and achieving a custom design often requires additional CSS. Bootstrap can also feel heavier than other frameworks, potentially impacting load times. The pros of Tailwind are its utility-first approach, allowing developers to style elements directly with classes and providing full design control without writing custom CSS. Tailwind's small file size and customization capabilities make it ideal for creating unique fast-load websites. The cons of Tailwind are that it requires familiarity with utility classes, which can have learning curve for new users. Building complex components takes more time since Tailwind doesn't come up with made UI elements like Bootstrap. Choosing between the two depends on your needs. Bootstrap is great for quickly building professional, component-rich sites, while Tailwind is ideal for developers seeking custom, lightweight design with full styling control. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.